I have to throw this away in the trash cans. Okay, so we are here at ayan, so hindi na ako pumasok guys sa loob kasi ang lamig, super lamig. Meron silang aircon sa loob. Good morning. So it's gloomy today. We're gonna check here outside guys. Bali pupunta kami ng Katiklan today and there is a little cut over the roof. And then medyo mahangin. So I'm still waiting here. It's actually gloomy day today and people are still working in this building. So I'm going to show you guys over there. It's at the back of the trees. So ayun nga, pupunta kami ng Katiklan. I can't see him here. Where is he? Over there is very small. Now it's raining a little bit. Use this umbrella because now it's raining. We're just walking and there's no trike at all yet.
Today.
Pasok dun. Sige na, pasok. Ayun na kaya.
Totally empty here in Kampanja Deport. Going back to Malay. We are now at Tabon Port.